Hi, my name is Gilad and I'm the CTO at CodeRun. CodeRun is an online IDE that enables you to easily develop, debug, and deploy web applications using your browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a web application to the CodeRun Cloud. CodeRun Cloud is a scalable and intuitive hosting solution powered by Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud and integrated directly into the CodeRun Studio. First, let's open the project we'd like to deploy. We can either create a new project, open an existing one, or upload code from our desktop. In this example, I'll upload an ASP.NET application that I've created on my desktop. The deployment process also works for ASP.NET web services, PHP websites, and pretty much all the platforms supported by the CodeRun IDE. Once the project opens in the IDE, I'll click Run to ensure it performs well in the sandbox. The sandbox is kind of like your local host environment, only it executes in the cloud. As you can see, the design time address is a subdomain of studio.coderun.com. This local deployment will automatically disappear when I close the IDE window. So what I want to do now is to deploy my website to a persistent hosting site with a permanent address so that others can enjoy my site. In order to do so, I'm going to close this window and click Deploy. This is the new hosting site dialog. I only have to configure this once for every site that I want to deploy. I'll leave the default 7-day trial service plan and name my site mydj.coderun.com. Then click Next. Now I'll click Submit to create my site. The IDE automatically creates and configures the hosting site that I requested. I'll click OK. Next, the Deploy Project to Hosting Site dialog appears. Here, I'll just accept the default settings and click OK. The deployment process executes in the background. And we're done. I can browse to my newly deployed website by clicking this link. Note that the address is now mydj.coderun.com. This address is permanent and will stay active as long as I keep my hosting plan. Next, let's introduce some changes to the site. I'll click Run to preview the changes in the sandbox. Looks good. My hosted website still hasn't changed. I need to redeploy. So I'll click Deploy again, then click OK, and my hosted site is updated. This concludes our video on how to deploy a web application to the cloud with the CodeRun IDE. Thanks for watching. I recommend watching the next video where we learn how to share code with hyperlinks.